Hello, happy Tuesday. What your favorite season is? Your favorite season's fall. Wearing the jacket. This is gonna be quick. Let's just go through it. Maybe. All right. So you're gonna watch my head talk. Attendance form. There's a couple of videos, a game, and a graded task. All right. This is where you're gonna find the link for this. Next, attendance. Next, okay, this is a lot. There are two videos. Decimal multiplication, we're getting away from the fractions and we're moving back to decimals because that's very practical in the real world. You really need to know how to do it well for next year. So I made a video that has a review. It's pretty long. So if you don't need the review for decimal multiplication, skip to about 5:55 or minute 6. And then that'll intro you to the graded activity that we're going to do today. Okay. And down here, when I coached gymnastics, it used to make me so frustrated when I was a young coach that I would try everything I knew how to get a kid to learn how to do something. And then another coach could come over and say like 3 words, and then the kid would just be doing the skill perfectly. But the older I got, the more I value that. So I'm including a video by Miss Emmerich that is teaching decimal multiplication. And she does it in a little bit different way than I do. And if you're struggling or if you just want to hear a different perspective, this is a great video and she just does it a little differently, but it's fantastic. So take a look at that if you'd like. Next, the game that I mentioned is a Kahoot. It's just 10 questions. It's basically the same concept of where do I put the decimal. So please do that for me. And then the graded task. So basically, I'm trying to tie in with science. And I basically want you to pick out some things, figure out how much they weigh. You can look things up. They don't have to be in your house. And then figure out how much they would weigh on different planets. Because you guys know that the mass of planets are different. The smaller a planet is, the less gravity it has. The bigger it is, the more gravity it has. So you can multiply a weight on Earth by a certain number, a decimal number, and it'll give you the weight of something on different planets. So that is your graded assignment for today. You have basically four decimal multiplication problems, and then you're going to turn it into Google Classroom. I need you to show me your work either on Google Classroom or Seesaw. So that's it. It's basically a Kahoot and then 4 multiplication problems. We've got our 5th fun fact of the day. You know where to find me. Also, we're going to have a Google Classroom. A Google Hangout. Sorry, I missed that one on time today. I had to go get my computer from school. But every day this week, it is going to be 11 a.m. We'll have a math Kahoot and then just a fun one. And then shout out today, the people who came at 2, a handful of people came, and Brighton won the math vocab one, and Caroline won the Olympics one. So shout out to O'Neill's class. I hope to see you guys today and every other day this week. And as always, love you. Be safe and ta-ta.